yeah, it's beef time. Hi guys, welcome back. Here is another simple dish for summer. It's beef with Korean BBQ sauce. For the ingredients, of course, we need 500 grams of beef, followed by Korean BBQ sauce, then soya sauce, and finally, we need chicken powder. Begin by smashing the meat, just like this, so it will be tender and easier to absorb the seasoning. But if you have a tender or thin slices of beef, you can skip this step. Next, marinate the meat with half tablespoon of chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and finally, half a cup of Korean BBQ sauce. Now mix it well. Take all the time you need. Then marinate it for at least 20 minutes. After that, grill the meat on a very high heat until the meat is cooked the way you want it. You can serve it with rice or vermicelli, adding some vegetable and fine herbs. Look at that, it's beautiful. Time to eat. Alright then. Just gonna put some fish sauce. Oh, yummy. Oh yeah. Let's try this. Oh. Oh, wow. These are the mints from the garden. Wow. Look at this big piece. Look at this. The sauce makes a huge difference. It's done. Empty. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.